Good day, folks. It's Tony Fortunato from the technology firm. I'm working on that lovely new project, and it's a brand new building. It's a brand new site, so I'm tasked with getting internet as well as doing the LAN, Wi-Fi, and everything else design and implementation. So I call the local carrier who has existing fiber literally running down this road, literally on the same side of the road as this building. Well, proposed building. The glass went in and it's going up pretty quick. So the structure's there. And guess what? The address works because we have delivery trucks coming every day with all sorts of stuff. I double checked. Everybody around that area is on that fiber. Even if I use that carrier's website to check availability, it does confirm that all these sites get fiber. Awesome. So I give them a call and I give them the address, and of course they can't find the address. And I explained to them that, hey, guess what? Everybody else has it in that area. Try this address. And they said, oh, you're right. That one does have internet. After talking to them on the phone for a bit, they agreed that that address should be added to their database, and they will do so very shortly. And within an hour, I get an email from this company advising me that that address cannot be serviced by them. So after 3 attempts with the same company, I thought I would call their competition. And I explained to them where we are and what we do. And they said, oh yeah, we can use that fiber. We can wholesale that or resell that, whatever. And I said, oh, awesome. So now I've got 2 competing carriers giving me a quote for that fiber service using the first carrier's fiber, who cannot give me a quote because they cannot service my area. So I'm waiting for those 2 quotes, and I thought every week I will call that first carrier back and see if I can get a quote from them, because I would prefer to get the fiber from the actual company that has the fiber in the ground, just my preference. But at the end of the day, if they cannot come through and these other guys come through with a quote, then guess what? That's who I'm going with. And I guarantee you, after that building's up within a year, that first carrier that says we don't have service will come knocking at their door asking if they want fiber service. Go figure, folks. Have a good day. Bye for now.